Christmas in Australia by John Williamson. Illustrated by Mitch, Vane. It's December in Australia. Time to remember all the family. Christmas tree, native pine, lights and tinsel all entwined. Put a fairy on the top. There's Gran and Pa, Joan and Pop. The ham and turkey's organised. Won't the grandkids be surprised when Santa comes in big black boots? In the back of Jacko's ute. Ho, 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 ho. It's December in Australia. Time to remember all the family. Gather round for a photo. Hang on, Dad. Where did Sam go? We got to get everyone in the picture. Oh, here he is. Come on, Sam. Now say cheese. Wait a minute. Bubbles is missing. Oh, yum, yum, pig's bum, Christmas pudding. All the ladies do the cooking. All the men are really slack, slapping each other on the back. How you been, Tangles? How was your year? Might rain tomorrow. Have a cold beer. I hear young Greg is playing fullback. I guess he gets it all from you, Jack. Blah, 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 blah. Who's for a game of cricket? Oh, it's December in Australia. Time to remember all the family. Gather round for a photo. Hang on, Dad. Where did Sher go? We got to get everyone in the picture. Oh, here she is. Come on, Sher, say cheese. Wait a minute. Annie's not here. Me, not out. Oh, yes, you are. Nick, it's your bowl. Max, don't bowl too quick. Oh, Nick has run off with the bat. After him across the flat. Come on, cub. You've had a bowl. Give the ball to Christy. Tom Twit, Pee-wee, Brookie, sidekick, you're on my side. Grab the bat quick. Now he's run off with the stump. Better give that Nick a thump. Think I'll have another beer, Runt. Oh, it's December in Australia. Time to remember all the family. Gather round for a photo. Hang on, Dad. Where did Amy go? We got to get everyone in the picture. Oh, here she is. Come on, Amy. Everybody now say cheese. Oh, wait a minute. Heidi's not here. See the goanna up a gum tree? He's going to get a feed today, free. When the campers leave the lake, bits of chook and chocolate cake. It's Christmas time for him as well. See his big long belly swell. Oh, it's December in Australia. Time to remember all the family. Gather round for a photo. Hang on, Dad. Where did Fox go? Got to get everyone in the picture. Oh, here she is. Come on now, Fox. Everyone say cheese. Hold it there now. Beep, beep, beep. Click. Got it. Hooray. Oh, it's December in Australia.